Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to go through some $5 notes. I've gone to the bank and I've just grabbed a whole heap of $5 notes. I haven't gone through them. I haven't even turned them up the right way, but a lot of them look to be the new style of note, which is a bit disappointing. Now here in front of us, I've just got an example of the notes that were around prior to 2016. So all these notes, maybe a few, will be some older than 2016, sorry. But prior to 2015, we had, prior to 2016, we had this style of note. And I've just got a couple of examples here, which are both in uncirculated condition. And I've also got two of the first and last prefix notes now from the 2016 notes. So we can see there we've got an AA 2016, and behind that we've got an EJ, which is the last prefix. So, and that's also the same up the top there with the 2013 note. We've got a BA. It didn't start at AA, it started at BA and ended at EA. So there's a couple of notes. So technically we really want to find these notes because they're far more interesting to have a look at. But I doubt we'll find many. So predominantly we're going to be looking to see if there's any sort of special serial numbers or solid numbers, any radar notes that'll be able to be read forward and backwards. So we'll go through these lot of notes and we'll just sort of see what we've got. For now I'm going to, actually before we do that, now we'll notice on the older notes there's the first two numbers, which are the year date, so the year that they were made, and then we've got 6 digits. Now on the new notes we've got 16, which is 2016, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Okay, so they were able to print a lot more notes per sheet, so we ended up with a lot more notes in circulation. So it's actually harder to find the special notes within the newer notes, and that's going to be the case for all of the notes that are now coming into circulation. So we've just had the 50 come out late last year. These guys, the $5 note, have been in circulation for about 2.5 years, and the $10 note has been in circulation for around 1.5 years. So I will be doing a video on $10 notes as well, and hopefully we've got some older ones in there. But yeah, for today we'll go through and just see what we can find. I've got my glove on, so I'm going to just pause this video for a moment. We'll grab these guys out of the way, and then we'll get started. Alright guys, I'm ready to go through them now. I do have the Renix book. It's a few years old, this one, so it's only got dates up until the 2013 note. So I think there is a new book coming out, I think in May, so it might be very close to coming out. So I will be getting hold of that particular book when it does come out. I think they update every year or two. So alright, let's go through these and check all the serial numbers. So a lot of these are all going to be 2016 notes. So there's nothing special there. There's no radars, there's no solid numbers, no binary numbers, so like as in ones and zeros and that kind of thing, and stuff that you can read upside down, so 9s and 6s, 8s and zeros, those sort of numbers you can read upside down. So we'll try and get through these. We should be able to get through them fairly quick, because it's pretty obvious if there's something worth looking at. So I've taken my gloves off because it's very difficult to try and get through these notes, and I think that realistically they're well circulated, all these notes. All right. So yeah, we're looking for AA, which is always good to have, and EJ. It's almost special the way it's going there. Whereas 0, 7, if that was a 6 and a 7 and 0, then it wouldn't be too bad a note. But condition is always something that needs to be looked at as well. I'm just going to try and hold these a bit better. So while I'm going through these, I can see something on the next note. Where is this one? That's an EG. So we're looking for EJ. So this is the first prefix note. So it's an AA. I'll put it aside for now, but realistically, it's probably only going to find face value. It does have creases in it. These are a tough sell. Just because of the number that are out there. There's just so many AAs and so on. So that's what I was saying earlier, that this was a lot more fun to do when these notes didn't exist, because as these notes have come into circulation, they have removed the old ones because they wear out and whatsoever. Ladder numbers is another thing to look for. So numbers that climb. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that kind of thing. I really should learn how I'm going to flip these. Where is it? No. Nope. So even low numbers, as I showed you the other day in another video. So if we had a lot of zeros and a low number, that would be something special. So I think I've got around $300 worth of notes here today. So yeah, while we're going through these, and we're not really finding anything too exciting. So I've been noodling through a lot of 10-cent coins in the hope of finding at least one 2018 coin. Now, I haven't found any, and the price of those coins are starting to go up. So here's our first old style note. Might be the only one we find. It's a DJ06. So if I just move these out of the way, we can have a look at what happened in 2016. 2006. We started at BA. Hopefully you can see that there. And we ended the print run at K. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, sorry. BA, and finished at HB06. So this is DJ06. So it's just a general prefix number. So nothing special. This one's been taped up, but it's almost a special note. Like if that had a 1 in the middle or a 0 in the middle, sorry, it would need a 2 as well, sorry. It would need a 2 there, sorry. So 162.010.261 would be a very nice full digit radar note. But not the case for this one. So we've got 63, 63, but it doesn't continue on. We're not finding any low numbers. Almost a nice one. But you want a lot more zeros. That would be something special if it had solid zeros. This one's, see how this is a nice note if it had a 3 on there, and we're really one note off finding a nice note there. So 377, 377, 3 would have been good. So yeah, that's the kind of thing you're looking for, is that kind of note makes it special. Here we've got another AA. Now this is almost a low number, but we've got a 1 in front of it at the start, so technically it's not a low number at all. I'll put it aside for now. So there's another one there. Oh, we've got another old one. So it's CC06, which we already looked at the 06s before, and there's nothing special there in the serial number. Zero two 0402, so almost a little bit special. Just if it had a 0 on the end there, it'd be something a little bit more special. So we got close to finding some nice numbers, but not quite. So I don't know if I said it or not, but hopefully I finished my sentence. I'm not sure if I did. If you're finding 2018 10-cent coins in circulation, I'd love to know, because I'm not finding any. And please leave a comment and just let me know if you're finding them and what area you're from, because they are really going up in value, and definitely hold on to them. I just really feel it's going to be something special. Oh, we got another old note. What number we got? DC08. I don't think that one's going to be anything special. So we finished at HB in 2008. So we started at BA and we finished at HB. So this is a DC note. So it's not a last. It's a DE, BF, and the last note for this video is an EB. So we didn't find any last prefix numbers. We only found 2 firsts, which they're not in great condition at all. Based on what I have had a look at on eBay, these wouldn't sell. So I don't think I'll be keeping them. I do have plenty of uncirculated ones, but I think these ones here will be going back to the bank. Alright guys, well I look forward to bringing another video to you soon. We'll be doing some $10 note hunts very shortly. Alright guys, thanks for watching.